Meanwhile, in West Jaintia Hills, the Christmas celebration kicked off yesterday with a midnight mass at the church, commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ. The special service was held at Jowai Diocese of Jowai Parish. Other churches also included prayer services within their premises, adorned with beautiful decorative lights illuminating the festive season. The Presbyterian Thalabot Church, Mission Compound Church and St. Teresa Catholic Church concluded the celebrations with a joyful Christmas carol event, spreading the festive spirit throughout the town of Jowai. Each church participated in this event, showcasing their unique traditions.